3, 2, 1.
Today's update is all about pure harmless chaos because these three little strays have discovered playtime, and now my whole room has become their personal amusement park.
To Love Machine.
At the start of the day, each kitten chooses their own mission. Little three color finds a piece of string and suddenly becomes a professional dancer, spinning and hopping like she's performing on stage. Little Black takes on a more serious role. He stalks shadows, pounces at invisible enemies, and acts like a tiny ninja training for battle. Little Yellow, he chooses destruction. Any box, any corner, any piece of cardboard, gone. He tears into it like it insulted his ancestors.
Welcome to Love Machine. System shut down.
While they're all doing their own thing, I secretly take out today's surprise, a tiny fake mouse with a long tail. The moment I shake it, little three color freezes. Her eyes lock onto it, and she jumps first, both paws swinging in the air like she's catching a real one. Little Yellow notices immediately. He creeps over slowly, pretending he's not interested, then suddenly leaps straight into the scene, almost bumping her over. Now two cats are playing tug of war with one small mouse. And Little Black is just watching them like, "Excuse me, how dare you start without me?" Then he joins, full power, full energy. Now the three of them are spinning, rolling, jumping, flipping, playing together like a tiny tornado of fur. One's biting the tail, one's holding the head, one's wrestling the air. Sometimes the mouse isn't even the toy anymore. The other cat becomes the toy. They chase it under the box, lose it, find it again, jump too high, fall sideways, and immediately get up to continue. Honestly, at this point, I think the mouse is more scared than excited, watching them move from playing separately to teaming up. That's the part that makes my day. These three little strays, once so weak they could barely stand, are now strong enough to play, fight, and cause endless trouble together. They're growing, learning, and having the time of their little kitten lives. If you enjoy watching their daily adventures, please consider subscribing. Your support truly means so much. It helps me keep rescuing more strays and making more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and thank you to everyone who has already subscribed.